Kanafa. Kanafa is a sweet pastry that is made from shredded phyllo dough that is layered with sweet cheese and syrup. The pastry is often topped with pistachios or other nuts, and is a popular dessert. Salab. Salab is a hot drink that is popular in Egypt during the winter months. It is made from a powder made from ground orchid root that is mixed with milk, sugar, and spices such as cinnamon and. Overall, Egyptian cuisine is a rich and varied blend of flavors and ingredients that reflects the country's long history and cultural influences. From grilled meats to sweet pastries and hot. Sure, here are some more dishes and drinks that are popular in Egyptian cuisine. Ksik. Ksik is a traditional Egyptian dish that is made from salted and fermented mullet fish that is typically eaten during the spring festival of Sham el-Nassim. The fish is often served with baba ganoush. Baba ganoush is a dip that is made from roasted eggplant that is mashed and mixed with tahini, lemon juice, garlic, and spices such as cumin and paprika. The dip is often served as an appet. Kanafe. Kanafe is a sweet pastry that is similar to kanafa, but is made with a different type of cheese and is often served with a syrup made from rose water and sugar. The pastry is often topped with Turkish coffee. Turkish coffee is a strong and rich coffee that is often served in Egypt and throughout the Middle East. The coffee is brewed in a special pot called a jezve and is often sweetened with sugar. Overall, Egyptian cuisine is a diverse and flavorful blend of flavors and ingredients that reflects the country's long history and cultural influences. From fermented fish to roasted eggplant. Sure, here are some more dishes and drinks that are popular in Egyptian cuisine. Mashi. Mashi is a dish made from vegetables such as tomatoes, peppers, and zucchini that are stuffed with a mixture of rice, herbs, and spices such as parsley, dill, and cumin. The stuffed vegetable. Fattoush. Fattoush is a salad that is made from a mix of fresh vegetables such as lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and radishes, that are tossed with herbs such as mint and parsley, and dressed with atah. Lukaimat. Lukaimat are small fried dough balls that are often served as a dessert or snack in Egypt. The dough is made from flour, yeast, and sugar, and is flavored with spices such as cardamom and sa. Salab ice cream. Salab ice cream is a popular dessert in Egypt that is made from salab powder, which is a starchy powder made from orchid roots, milk, sugar, and cream. The mixture is then frozen and churned. Overall, Egyptian cuisine is a diverse and flavorful blend of flavors and ingredients that reflects the country's long history and cultural influences. From stuffed vegetables to fresh salad. Karkade. Karkade is a refreshing drink that is made from hibiscus flowers that are steeped in hot water and sweetened with sugar. The drink is often served chilled and is a popular beverage in Egypt.